Instead of you complaining and saying what you can't do, find a way to do it. That's what hustlers do. That's what grinders do. That's what entrepreneurs do. We're gonna find a way. When we get hit that door where it says stop, or you need this or this to enter it, we're gonna regroup and figure out what can we do to get there. You know, a no or a door being closed isn't the end of the world. It doesn't mean that you can't get there. It just means that you can't get there at this time in this moment. You see what I'm saying? Like, it's something you're gonna have to do to fix or to readjust or to get your money right so you can do it. But don't think just because the door was closed or someone said no that you can't do it. It still can be done. A lot of these successful entrepreneurs that we know and that we respect, someone told them no. Someone told them, hell no, you can't do it. Someone slammed the door and said it's not possible. So they had to figure it out. All I'm saying is, use this time to build up your confidence, build up your courage enough to say to yourself, you can do it. Because if you don't believe you can do it, then it's never going to be done. Hog on.